Insurance basis. Business insurance. Business insurance basis. Most business need to purchase at least the following four types of insurance. Property insurance. Property insurance compensates a business if the property used in the business is lost or damaged as the result of various types of common perils such as fire or theft. Property insurance covers not just a building or structure but also the content including office furnituring, involuntary raw materials, machinery, computers and other items vital to a business operations. Depending on the types of policy, property insurance may include coverage for equipment breakdown, removal of ribs after a fire or other destructive events, some types of water damage and other loss. Business interruptions insurance, also known as business income insurance. Business interruptions insurance is a type of property insurance. A business whose property has sustained a direct physical loss, such as fire damage or a damaged roof due to tree falling on it in a windstorm, and has to close down completely while the premises are being repaired, may lose out to competitors. A quick resumption of business after a disaster is essential. That is why business interruptions insurance is so important. There are typically three types of business interruptions insurance. A business can purchase any one or combinations of these. Business income coverage compensates for lost income if any company has to vacate its permissions due to disaster related damage that is covered under the property insurance policy. Business income insurance covers the profits the company would have earned based on financial records had the disasters not occurred. The policy also covers operating expenses such as electricity that continue even though business activities have came to a temporary halt. Extra income coverage reimburse the company for a reasonable sum of money that it spends over and above normal operation expenses to avoid having to shut down during the restoration period. Contin- Contingent business interruption insurance protect a business owner's earning following physical loss or damage to the property of the insured suppliers or customers as opposite to its own property. Damage due to floods, earthquakes, and acts of terrorism are generally not covered by standard business property insurance but can also be purchased through various marketers. Protection against flood damage. Property insurance policy usually exclude coverage for flood damage. Business should find out from their local government office or commercial bank whether their business is located in a flood zone and whether their business is located in a flood zone and whether their location has been flooded in the past. Flood insurance is available through the feeder government national food insurance program, which is served by private carriers and form a few specialty insurance. Protection against earthquake damage. Coverage for earthquake damage is excluded in most property insurance policies, including business owners package policies. Business is an earthquake area will need a special earthquake insurance policy or commercial property earthquake endorsement protection against terrorism attack losses under the Terrorism Risk Insurance Act of 2002 and its extensions only business that purchase optional terrorism coverage and covered for losses arises from the terrorist attack. The expansion is workers compensate which cover work related injuries and detail and death including those due to the act of terrorism.